a beautiful day and another day raising Ryan. Ah, what's your deal? You're reading a book? Where are we going right now? To the zoo? So I am so excited to vlog because we are vlogging with my new camera. We got the Canon G7X Mark II and I am extremely excited. Such a difference. I mean, to start off with the weight, like with the other camera, it's so heavy. This is what I will vlog with. Many of you guys don't know. I got the T5i, so I still love it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the weight. And then this is so perfect. Yeah. I'll obviously talk more about it when we get to the zoo. We're going to the zoo. Even though I should be typing up an essay. But hey, I love to procrastinate. We're in Kansas City Zoo. Hi, Grandma. Hi. How cute. Hi, Booka. Uh-oh. He was taking a nap in the car, so he's still waking up. Are we all set to go? All right, let's have some fun.
Birdies, Bubba.
Oh my god. So my grandma had to use the restroom and I went to go show her, and this one thought I was going.
She said grandma's going to the bathroom and I said okay. So I walked over here.
And we left Ryan in the middle of the walkway. People probably think we're crazy. Bugga! What do you see? Ooh, birdies! You're not getting nothing for the pond. What, Bugga? It's a little chilly. I just love this camera. Such a difference. Can we embrace the beauty of this tree? Oh my god, I just can't. I love fall. It's so beautiful. Ryan's more amazed with the pumpkins, I guess. But guys, look how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful. I just love fall. Someone's really happy for this cold weather. Look at him. He has his legs spread out. Oh my goodness. What do you think, buddy? Isn't that cool? He's happy because it's finally cold. Say hi. That's just too funny. He's literally on his belly enjoying life. Go Ryan, go Ryan, go Ryan. Go Buster! The reason why he's happy because he sees his favorite ride, the carousel. We will for sure do it. We'll do it in a bit. We're gonna see the penguins! I love all these cute pumpkins. Ugh, it's all slinky. Ah! Ah! Ooh! There's our goat! Yeah. Oh my god. Hey guys, what are you staring at? No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Too cute. What do you see? Oh, get up. You can get up. What's, will you see the fish? Can you say fish? Can you say fish? Yeah. You're just excited. He's so excited. He doesn't even know where to go. Oh, you see the cool stuff. Hi, Dory. We found you. I see Nemo and all their friends. On to the next. Where are we going now, Booka? What do you want to see? Birds? Oh, he wants to see birds, he said.
Oh, what time is the bird show? 2:30.
2:30. Ooh. The sun is coming out, so it looks really pretty. Thought it was gonna be gloomy, but I always forget my sunglasses, and now I look crazy. Oh, thank you. Now we're gonna collect all the leaves. Yeah, let's keep going. Follow Dad. Dad's ahead of us. What does the monkey say? Chungos. Look how cute the monkeys are. Hi, monkeys. Oh, their face. Too darn cute. Okay, we need to keep up with this toddler. What is he up to now? What's next, buddy? He's so intrigued. You don't even know where to start?
Almost every single place has one.
Buddy, look right here. Right. Oh my goodness. How adorable. Hi, monkey. Micah. You didn't even recognize it. Ryan, you see up there? Look, he's looking towards us. I think it's a beautiful day. The sun is out. It's not that cold. At first it was really cold. What's wrong, Bugga? This one is enjoying his walk around here. Ooh, the sun could get bright. But I think we're going to Africa. We just got done seeing monkeys. Yeah? Yeah, monkeys. Good job. He's freaking out about the wind.
Hair blowing past his ears.
I know, it's so scary. So scary, Bugga. You're okay. It's just wind. Nothing. No biggie. This weather is vicious, guys. I know, it's about to rain. Oh, Lord. We're waiting to feed the lorikeets. Is that what it's called? Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared. But let's go feed them. Let's go feed them. I'm excited. Okay. They're so excited. They're like following us. I want you to get a good picture of us. Buddy, you excited?
Look at all the birds.
Uh-oh. You excited? Oh, how cute. How funny.
I guess they know what's going on.
They do know what time it is. They're gonna go a little crazy.
All right. Oh! Ooh, thank you. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. My grandma got one. I got one.
One landed on Ryan. He didn't like it.
You're okay, Bugga. That is so cool. That's so cool. Oh my god, he's on the...
Dad
has one too. Hey, Grandma. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, buddy, they're everywhere. They're everywhere.
Oh, look, Justin and Ryan got one.
You got one, Bugga? Whoa, buddy.
Laura.
Look at these. Oh my god, they're fighting! He said, I'm gonna go to her. Oh my god, oh my goodness! I know, buddy! You're okay. I got a friend here. I got a little friend. Hi, friend. Oh my gosh. I got friends everywhere. Look at them. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I can't. There you go, buddy. You're all done. All done. It's all done, buddy. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, one landed on the camera. One landed on the camera. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so crazy.
Oh, look at my arm.
Alright, are you done? Say bye. Say bye, birdies. You did a good job. Oh my God. That was such an experience. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You're okay. You're okay. Oh my God. That was so crazy. Totally worth it. Okay, let me put you down.
That's what happens when you feed the birds.
Yes.
You get pooped on.
I got pooped on. So I get attacked and I get pooped on? Really? So now we're at the tiger trail. Okay, train. Anyways, let's keep walking. I don't know if there's even tigers. It looks really lonely back here, so. There's a train. Someone found kangaroos. What did you find, buddy? Whoa! Some kangaroos. They're all just hanging out.
Want to sit down?
Oh, that one's going somewhere. Oh, how pretty. You like the kangaroos?
Yeah.
We want a kangaroo, but obviously it's not doable as a pet.
We want a lot of animals.
He does.
I want a lot of animals. Oh, look at that one scratching his ear.
Oh. Look what's right in front of us. Tiger. Whoa. If only that tiger turns around. Whoa. Hello. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Oh. What are we doing? Are we matching? Let's color orange. Good job. The bird show, and then after that I think we're calling it a day. Oh my gosh, my grandma's having some difficulties. Whoa. Okay, I was trying to say I'm trying to delete stuff so I can get a bit more memory because I want to get some stuff for the bird show. So we'll do that. Yeah. Bird, your favorite animal. Oh, he wants to show you guys he could play the piano. Bird. Yeah. Can you play this? Oh, cool.
And as you can see, she bobs her head, and that helps her triangulate her flight path so that she can make it into this window right here. Now what we have in this window here for is all of that tasty food that she likes to eat, that kind of has black feathers on it instead.
Yeah,
now,
how
like we said,
cute.
Here is a road runner, so we're going to turn him into a rail runner. So all of you guys sitting in the front row, if you could lean back in your seats for me, you're going to see we'll have a run all the way across this rail.
Whoa.
Now he is a road runner, like I said, he can run at top speeds of about 20 miles per hour. Pretty funny, right? Now something else that he does is he actually uses his wings instead of diving down like a catch-it-a-dead. He can use those wings for balance as he runs across the rail. Now something else Mojave has, if I wanted to be a bird of prey like him as a road runner, I would have to...
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get. Oh, so dramatic. Diapers. Don't get into the diapers. Not the diapers. All right, so we've been back home for a while now. We went to Matt's mom's house. She has a brand new house. Well, it's a fixer-upper, and we've been helping with that. So, yeah. I'm gonna finish my essay that's due in a few hours, and that's just how my life works.
I'm gonna go to bed because I gotta work in the morning.
So, that's what we're gonna end the day. Get this boy his last bits of energy to wear off so we can all settle down. I get to work, they go to sleep and start a brand new day. So please, if you have not, don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye. Say bye.